Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify security camera feeds with Ring app health check step by step clearly. Open the Ring app on your mobile device. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. Navigate to the main dashboard where your devices are listed. Select the security camera you want to verify. Tap on the camera feed to view it live. Look for the health option, usually found in the settings menu. Tap on Health to open the camera health details. Check the connection status. A green checkmark indicates a healthy connection. If you see a yellow or red indicator, there may be an issue. Scroll down to view the signal strength. Ensure the signal strength is sufficient for optimal performance. Look at the event history for any connectivity issues. Review the battery level and power status if applicable. If your camera is hardwired, confirm that it is receiving power. If you encounter issues, consider adjusting the camera's location for better signal. Restart the camera if necessary by power cycling it. Test the live feed again after making adjustments. Confirm that all settings are correctly configured for your specific needs. If problems persist, consult the troubleshooting section in the app. For further assistance, reach out to Ring support directly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for